Boys and girls, you have a page today that shows each of the food groups we've talked about. Dairy, fruits, grains, vegetables, and this time the author calls protein, instead of meat she says protein. And really that's probably a pretty good idea, because meat would be things that we get from animals. But eggs also have a lot of protein in them that help us build muscle. And so do some other foods that we'll talk about. All right, well, there's several words up here that she listed that I wanted us to think about which of these things they were. So let's sort them out. Can you find the word apples up there? Circle the word apples. Now, boys and girls, would the word apples, not the word apples, but are apples, dairy, a fruit, a grain, a vegetable, or protein? You're right. Apples are fruit. What about bananas? Put a line under the word bananas. Are bananas fruit, grains, vegetables, or protein? You're right. Bananas are also fruits. All right. Now let's get out your crayons this time. Let's find a yellow crayon and let's make the grains. Can you find that word grains up there? It starts with a G. Color that word grains yellow. Now the author tells us several types of foods that go in the grains group. Can you guess what kind of grains might start with a B? You're right. Bread is a grain that starts with a B. Color the word bread yellow like the word grains. What about the next thing is tortillas. Tortillas are also a grain, so let's color them yellow. Now we have the word rice. Rice is also a grain. Color the word rice yellow. All right, let's put that yellow crayon away and get out your green one. This picture shows vegetables. Can you find the word up here that says vegetables? What would vegetables start with? You're right. Vegetable starts with a V and it has 10 letters. It's a long word. Color the word vegetables green. Now, the author has a word right here. This is a vegetable. It starts with a C. And it's orange. What could it be? You guessed it. Carrots are a vegetable, so let's color them green. Here's another vegetable. It's red and round. Let's try and sound it out. Tom. Oh, you're right, tomatoes. Tomatoes are a vegetable, so let's color them green. You can put your green crayon away now. All right. We have done fruits, grains, vegetables. This next word is meat. Would meat go under dairy or protein? You're right. Let's get out your brown crayon and color the word meat brown. Now we said this word is also a protein. It starts with an E. Eggs. Eggs. Eggs are a protein. Let's color them brown. And I'm going to put the word eggs right here. Now we have beans. Beans are a protein because they build strong muscles. So color the word beans brown. And I'm going to put the word beans right here. Okay, just one group left. Can you remember what that is? You're right, it's dairy. So, boys and girls, let's see. Dairy is white, and it might be hard to see white. Why don't we get out your black? And let's take the first one in the dairy group is cheese. Draw a black line under the word cheese. And I'm going to put the word cheese right by the picture of cheese. There's another one here. It starts with a Y and its picture's right there. Yeah. You guessed it, yogurt. Yogurt is in the dairy group. Take your black crayon and put a line under yogurt. Great job classifying foods, boys and girls.